Okay, so this is Rusty. This is his right front foot, and you can see that he's worn a bunch of sole off on this side here, and his toe is too long. Okay, this line right here is where the ring would come out to, so that's the same width and length of his sole of his foot at the fulcrum, and then this is 3/8 of an inch back. So I want to bring his toe back to that line. So I'm going to take my grinder with a 36-inch grit on it. And there you go. I've brought back his toe now to where it should be, and then I'll bevel that up further. Okay. What I'm also going to do with my grinder right now is take down the heels to the baseline. On this hoof wall on the quarters, because otherwise this is just gonna break off. It's too tall. And now he has the air gap there, and I'm double checking to make sure that this is balanced. I'm looking right down the back, and notice that I also use my grinder to touch up the edges of the frog a tiny bit, and that's it. Okay, I'm also going to touch up his bars, and to do that I'm going to use this 2-inch Milwaukee die grinder with an SF, I forgot what the number is, burr bit on it. And I'm just going to bring these down to the proper level. And come around and do the other bar. You can see the bar crack right there. And get that nice and straight. You can see the papillae of the bar extending over there. Blend in the seed of corn here. Make sure that's nice and flat. Give him a good buttress. This will wear off on its own. There we go.